Welcome. If you've been getting random message requests on Instagram and want a quieter inbox, you're not alone. The good news is that Instagram's latest update makes it really easy to control who can send you message requests, especially if you're using Instagram on your PC. Let's walk through it step by step so you can lock things down in just a minute. First, open Instagram on your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look over to the bottom left corner. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on that. A menu will pop up. From there, click on Settings. This is where all your account controls live. Once you're inside Settings, find and click on Messages and Story Replies. This section lets you manage who can contact you and how they interact with your content. Next, click on Message Controls. This is the key area where you decide who is allowed to send you message requests. Now, look for the option labeled Who can send you message requests. You'll see a few choices here, but if you want to completely stop receiving message requests, simply select No One.